Hello there and welcome to today's tutorial on setting up your first email flow in Klaviyo. So if you're ready to automate your email marketing and boost engagement, then you are in the right place. So let's jump in and get started. So first thing first, let's log into your Klaviyo account, and if you don't have an account yet, you can head on to klaviyo.com and create one. Then after you have logged in, you will be welcome to the Klaviyo's dashboard as you can see on the screen. So on the left hand side, you can see the option of the flows. So simply click this. So why flows are a game changer? So flows are event driven, meaning they automatically send email based on specific triggers like signing up or making an purchase or even abandoning a cart as well. So this ensures your email are always relevant and timely as well. So now we need to create a new flow. So as you can see, you have the templates that the Klaviyo has provided you with, but you can also start and build your own from the scratch. So you can click this build your own, and here you can see the option of this welcome series on the screen. So simply click this. So now you need to name your flow something clear and descriptive. So like you can even write new subscribers, welcome series, naming your brand name, or you can say even trust me when you're managing dozens of flows. This will save you a lot of time as well. So let me just quickly fill this out first. So after you have named your welcome series, then you will be asked to select a trigger. So every flow starts with a trigger, the event that kicks off the automation. So for a welcome series, you select the list, this new settler one. So simply click this, and then after that, you can click on this use template. So advanced trigger options is also available. So if you are integrating Klaviyo with other platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or custom CRM, then you can use event-based triggers, for example, profile created, which means triggered when a new customer profile is added via API. And also there is a custom event triggered by a specific action like downloading a lead magnet or even completing a quiz as well. So now I'm going to edit this flow according to my preference. So let's just start. Let's delete this both paths. Let's delete this as well. And there you have it. So now I'm going to simply use the drag and drop option that the Klaviyo has provided me with. So here you can see this email option. So you can simply drag this and drop it here. So now let's edit our first welcome flow. So then you'll be asked to put your name and also the subject line and the preview text. So first let's put our name. I'm putting welcome flow 1. Then you will be asked to put the subject line. So make sure that you put a line that grab attention right away. So I have already prepared my script for the subject line and also for the preview text. So let me just simply copy and paste that. So for the preview text, let's include something that teases customer what's inside. So for the preview text, let's just copy again. So this is my preview text. Go back to Klaviyo. And so I have named my flow and I have also put my subject line and I've also written my preview text. So after you have filled in all, on the right hand side of the screen, you can see there are 3 email formats which you can choose from. So one is drag and drop, second is text only, and third is the HTML. So I would recommend if you are new to this, you only use the text only format so that your email doesn't go on the spam folder. So simply click this text only part. So I have already prepared the copy for the email body. So let me just simply copy and paste that. So as you can see, I have already copied my body parts. So now I'm going to simply edit this. So first I'm going to choose a proper font that aligns with my business. So you can choose the font according to your preference. Now for the first name, I want to do a personalization for my customers. So you can use dynamic tags to personalize emails as well. So the first name, you can simply go to your web browser and search in the Google for the Klaviyo's first name and you can get it there. So let me just do that quickly. And this is the first name that the Klaviyo has provided you with. So you need to simply copy this and paste it in the Klaviyo. So let me just do this quickly. Plain text only, and there you have it. So after you have done the necessary edits, now it's time to put the links. So make sure you put the links where your customer can visit to the proper website. So let me just quickly add the links. So once everything is done and you have also added the links, now let's just preview our email and see if everything is correct or not. So you can either preview this email directly on Klaviyo, or you can even send this preview email to yourself. So that is totally upon your preference on what you want. So I'm going to send as an email and simply click on this preview now. And then simply go to your mail and check if your welcome flow has been correctly designed according to your needs or not. So after you have previewed your email, simply save this and it's done. So after you have edited on the text-only email format, you can also use the drag and drop, which is one of the easy and also ideal for visually stunning emails with images, buttons, and structured layouts as well. So for that, simply go here and click this change template, and here you can see the option of drag and drop. Simply click this. So after that, you can see there are lots of templates that Klaviyo has provided you with, or you can even create your new from the scratch. So I'm going to create from the scratch. So for that, you simply have to go to this create option. So simply click this. So I have already designed my email flow in the Figma, or you can even design it in Klaviyo itself or use other platforms, whichever you feel easy to use. So now let me just quickly upload it here. So first, let's just upload my brand logo. So for that, you can see the image options here. So simply drag it and drop it here. And here you can upload the image. So I have already selected one. So this is the image that I'm going to upload it for my brand logo, and it's done. So after I have uploaded my brand logo, now let's just upload an image which describes my brand. So let me simply drag it here, and again, you will be asked to select the picture. So let me just quickly select the image. All right, this is perfect. So now after that, I have uploaded the image that describes my brand. Now let's add some text. So for that, you can simply drag the text block and drop it here. So now that I have already added my text too, so now let's just simply finish all the additions and edits that I have to make. So after finishing all the edits, now let's just quickly add the links. So in this alt text, so for this logo, I am keeping a name, and then simply add your links. And it goes similar with all the necessary things where you put the links so that your customers will go on the right page and won't be misleading to your customers. After I have also added the links and done all the necessary edits, now let's just simply preview and test this welcome flow which we have just created. So for that, you can see this preview and test options on the screen. So simply click this. And make sure you check it on both the mobile devices and the desktop view as well by simply clicking this top option for the desktop view and this one for the mobile view as well. So after everything is done and we have created our first welcome flow, now it's time for setting up additional emails in the flow. So a welcome series isn't just about one email. It's a journey, and here is how to structure it. So first is the welcome series or the warm welcome flow that we have created. So welcome them and introduce your brand and share your special offers. So similarly, you can create more emails in these flows. So in the second email, you can put your brand story, or you can even share your missions, your values, and what makes you different. And even you can add your third email linking with the social proofs and the bestsellers. So you showcase your testimonials, reviews, and your top products. text, and also you can add more emails, and it may say like urgency and final to call. So remind them about your special offers before it expires, and use time delay or components to space out the emails naturally. So here is an advanced tip again. So if you are integrating Klaviyo with an e-commerce platform, use product recommendations in your emails as well. So for example, showcase items related to the subscriber's browsing history. So after you have created your first email flow and welcoming them and introducing with your brand, and after sharing a special offer with them, you can even add a time delay. So for that, you simply need to drag this time delay options off the left hand side of your screen and simply drag it and drop it here. And you can put the time delay of 1 to 2 days later. So for that, simply add the time delay. So for this, I'm saying 1 and simply click save. And there you have it, your time delay has been added. So here is an advanced step. So if you are integrating Klaviyo with an e-commerce platform, use recommendations in your emails. For example, showcase items related to the subscriber's browsing history. So another next step is testing and previewing your flow. So before going live, preview each email and send the test email to yourself. So check if all links are working, or check does all the email looks great on both desktops and mobiles, and check if personalization is working or not. So here is another pro tip for you guys. So use Klaviyo's email testing tools to ensure your emails look flawless across all devices and email clients. So once everything is done, now it's time to activate your flow. So simply you can click on this review and turn on option situated at the top right, then check everything is okay and click save. And there you have it. So it says all configured actions in your flow are now set to live. So now your automation is now live and working 24/7 to engage new subscribers. And another step is tracking your performance and optimizing. So after your flow has been running for a while, dive into the analytics that Klaviyo provides key metrics like open rates, so which is for testing new subject lines if these are low. And then the second one is click-through rates, which refines your CTAs and email content if these need a boost. And third is the conversions, which adjust your offer or sequence if people aren't buying. So another pro tip for you guys is to use Klaviyo's flow analytics to identify bottlenecks. For example, if subscribers drop offer after email 2, so revise it content or timing. So another advanced insight is leveraging paths and APIs. So paths in Klaviyo lets you create a branching logic in your flows based on subscribers' behaviors. For example, if a subscriber makes a purchase and send them a thank you email. Next is if they don't send a follow-up email with a discount. So here is how to use the paths. So add a split component to your flow and set conditions like has placed an order, or you can even add has clicked a link, or even has not opened email. So congratulations, you have just built a welcome email flow that will engage your subscribers, build trust, and drive sales. So see you guys in the next video.